Hello everyone, today I going to show you how to buy Cardano on Touch Wallet. For that, at first open Touch Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, you need to deposit USDT for buy Cardano. Then click on swap option. Here you will see this page. First of all, click here and select BNB chain. Then click here and select USDT. Then click here and select BNB chain. Then click here and you will need to charge here ADA. Then click on ADA. After that, enter quantity you want to buy. Then click here to successfully purchase. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.